Hello, everyone. I'd just like to give a big shout out to Island Wide Express. I started using their service this year when I said I would try them out, and I have not been disappointed. The packages are always delivered on time, and their service is extraordinary. I have had problems in the past where packages have gone missing. I've never had that problem with this shipping company. And I have been shipping almost every week since I started, and things have just got better and better over time. And as I said before, I would get a call if something was happening with my package that I needed to know. So go ahead and try them if you haven't yet done so. Island Wide Express. Good going, guys.